Hello, this is Franz Spohn again, and we are going to test whether or not you have a bright sunny day or a dark stormy day, and we're going to do it with clouds. So usually when you're drawing clouds, you might draw the cloud first and kind of work on that, but I think our approach today is going to be more at looking at the sky, doing the sky first, and then doing the clouds after that. Now on a nice, bright, sunny day with big white puffy clouds, then the sky is going to be blue. The clouds are going to pick up a little bit of the blue tones in it. And this one I based on a cloud that was flying by. It was real big and puffy, and it looked like a turtle. So I decided to kind of emphasize that turtleness and go with that. And then as the day progresses, that same cloud would look a little bit different if the sun was going down. So as the sun sets, then you get more color around the horizon. The top of the sky is still a little bit blue, but your clouds are going to be kind of a canvas for that light, and it's going to pick up that kind of light. So the first example, nice sunny part of the day, and then this is as the day is closing. And then for a stormy day, instead of having a blue sky, it's going to be gray. So what I'm thinking about doing is clouds that are on a nice bright sunny day. That would be blue sky and color and everything very bright and cheerful. And then for a stormy day, you set the mood with the tone. So let's set these off to the side for a minute. And I'm going to take a piece of watercolor paper. All right, set that off to the side. And I also take a scrap piece of paper. This is a nice mixed media paper. Oops, and I'm going to use this for a test. All right, so let's think about a nice puffy cloud on a nice day. And I'm going to very lightly pencil it in with a watercolor pencil because I'm going to be using watercolor for the background and gel sticks as well. So the pencil mark is going to blend in with what I am going to be doing. All right, so these are gel sticks, and they're water soluble, and I like to use these because they cover a very large area very quickly. So I'm going to put a dark blue at the top, and then I'm going to take a light blue immediately underneath it. And when I get down to the cloud, I'm going to stop because this could be my white area. And then I can blend that together with my finger. And then I can take one of my brushes and add water. These are water soluble, so it then suddenly turns these into paint. Okay, so I think you get the idea for that. And then for the bottom, the clouds are generally kind of flat at the bottom. They're a little flatter. Okay. Okay. All right, and then I can come there and get a little bit of tone. And then I'm going to just, on my paper here, I can kind of test it out. And so I can start putting those shadows in to get kind of a nice puffy look to them. And I can continue to work and work and work. Now, for the cloudy part, let's take a darker one, and these clouds have a tendency to be a little stringier. You might have like a big thunder cloud that comes around, but in this case, I'm going to use black, and it might be darker at the top. Same thing, I can blend that out with my finger, but I can also take a brush. And now the black, when I start thinning it out, is going to be a little more of a gray. And then the same thing, I can get a little bit of water on that. And I can start putting a little more definition into it. So, basically kind of the same cloud, but the difference is that one's stormy, the other one is nice and colorful. So I hope that all your days are sunny and bright. But even on those stormy days, you can still have fun with your head in the clouds.